có phải hay không?
Yeah, another.
Not really planning.
Are you shitting? You're here. We're all gonna be fine.
Some other guys have been through a lot of fun and take down the last. They, you know, they just go up last.
Yeah, I was like, where'd you put it? Was it yeah, that's the one. Apple, I thought it was pineapple. I thought it was pear. I guess it is what we want it to be. Yeah.
See ya.